Alright, here's Emily Backus and her plastic cup.
I got my ticket for the long way round, tomorrow whiskey for the way, and I sure would like something company, then I'm leaving tomorrow, what you say, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me by my hair, you're gonna miss me everywhere, oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I got my ticket for a long way round, the one straight from you. It's come up from the Cup River, the sky sight to give you shivers, and it sure would be prettier with you. When I'm gone,